2023 Kia Sportage shock sensor add-on. Okay, what happens with these vehicles? They don't come with any type of glass sensor. It only works when somebody opens the door. The way to test it out, you can put the driver's window down, turn off the car, close the door, hit lock on the remote, give it like a good minute. Do not open the door any sooner than that. And then what you do, since the window's going to be down, reach in and pull the handle and open the door. If the horn starts honking, and then you can order your kit. You can call us at 305-387-4365. That's 305-387-4365. Or you can go to addshocksensor.com. That's addshocksensor.com, and you can purchase it and give us a call there also. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window now. We installed it already. Okay, do a test if you have this 2023, which I'm pretty sure the car will come with it. But just to be safe than sorry, start the car, put the window down, turn off the car, close the door, hit lock, wait about a minute, reach in and open the door. If your horn goes off and you want to enhance the protection that you have in this vehicle, give us a call at 305-387-4365, and we can sell you the kit. And we'll come with an installation video exactly how to install this. Thank you for watching this video.